And then, yeah, kind of a case study on the Citadel side of how we partnered with some operators in the past to provide innovative products and solutions was with wrinkle bends. You know, there's a lot of wrinkle bends within U.S., especially particularly gas pipeline systems built in the 1950s or earlier, where instead of taking a pipe bending machine, they took the pipe, lined up amongst a few trees, and started bending until they were able to weld. And they did a great job. I mean, those pipes are still in service, and now as these wrinkle bends, if they experience too much axial movement, they can cause premature failures. Once again, bringing up that issue of safety. And so we wanted to take a look at this problem. So we're not the first to take a look at reinforcing wrinkle bends with composites. The current industry accepted practice is to lay axial strips of the composite fabric over these wrinkle bends, because you needed to orient the fabric in a way that it would contain more of the axial loading as opposed to the hoop loading, which is what composites primarily do, especially for straight runs with corrosion defects. Well, you can imagine if you're out on a 26-inch diameter pipeline and you're putting these axial strips and you're on the 6 o'clock of a pipe and you're laying it and there's no tension around the circumference, you can have a lot of potential for installation error. You can get sagging, you can get voids, and at that point the composite really isn't doing much for your pipeline. So taking a look at it, we partnered with some people within the industry. We came up with a product that can install everything around the hoop direction of the pipe, but provide reinforcement in the axial direction. This allowed us to severely reduce the amount of thickness that was required at each wrinkle bend reinforcement, and also it allows us to increase the installation quality and decrease the installation time. So you're not just getting a higher quality system, it's also going to be more economical for the installation labor.